Hi, in this video we're going to do a lot of cool treats with freeze-dried foods, and if everybody noticed, I have yellow and blue for support of Ukraine and the people there and the hardship they're going through. It would be a lonely world without people, and it would be a very boring world without diversity. So let's start with all the cool stuff we can do. First off, we have coconut fruit bars, and we have some Neapolitan ice cream. We have marshmallows, pineapple rings, and bananas. And so what I want to talk about is that when you're freeze drying items that come from the grocery store, and it's a frozen item, make sure that your fruit popsicles or your fruit bars are all fruit, and there's not a lot of added ingredients. If you'll know from the picture that you'll see above, this is what happens when something has a lot of additives to it. The fruit bars literally explode. So the same thing with ice cream. When you buy your ice cream, make sure you purchase ice cream that has real ingredients in it and not a lot of additives, because it just doesn't come out right. And not only that, it wasn't good for you. So what we can do here is we take the marshmallows and the bananas and the popsicles and the ice cream, and we can dip them in chocolate and sprinkles and make really cool treats. Now, the other thing is, if you want to take this ice cream and turn it into a milkshake, you absolutely can. You put it in your blender with some ice cubes and some milk, and you have a milkshake, and you cannot tell the difference. So let's get started with all these cool treats. Okay, so you can take your frozen ice cream and your frozen fruit bars, and you can dip them in chocolate and sprinkles and do it any way that you want. Just remember, it's really important to make sure that you purchase products that don't have a lot of additives in them, and this includes your fruit bars. If anything, make it yourself and then freeze dry it. But you can see that this makes great candy. It tastes just like ice cream. It's amazing. It's like what the astronauts ate. And same thing with the all fruit bars. They're absolutely delicious. The kids will love them. They never melt and they don't get sticky. And they're so delicious. And here's the ones we did. We dipped them in chocolate. Oh, it's so good. Thank you everyone for watching. Please subscribe, and Slava Ukraini.